हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे अल्फ़ाबेट्स, नंबर्स, अ से अह तक वर्णमाला, फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल, फ्लावर्स, व्हीकल, कलर, मंथ्स ऑफ द ईयर, एक्सेट्रा। चलो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट्स लर्न अल्फ़ाबेट A to Z. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now it's time to learn counting 1 to 20. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. ग्रेट जॉब। हिंदी में हम सीखेंगे अ से अह तक। मेरे बाद दोहराइए। अ, आ, ई, ऊ, ऋषि, ए, ऐ, ओ, औ, अम, अह. Let's ready for your EVS class. First topic is fruits name. Apple, mango, banana, orange, grapes, watermelon, guava, strawberry. Now it's time to learn some vegetable name. Potato, pumpkin, onion, carrot, tomato, brinjal, mushroom, cabbage. Animals name. Repeat after me. Cow, dog, cat, horse, monkey, lion, tiger, sheep. Birds name. Sparrow, crow, parrot, duck, eagle, peacock, owl, pigeon. Flowers name. Rose, lotus, tulip, daisy, lily, jasmine, dahlia, sunflower. Colors name. Repeat after me. Blue, red, yellow, green, pink, brown, white, black. Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Let's learn months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Great job! Parts of the body: eye, nose, lips, ear, hair, neck, hand, leg,